Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherima. Thanks for joining me and thank you so much for being part of this Kikuyu channel. I'm right here in this beautiful place. It's outside. It's a Sunday afternoon, almost an evening, and yeah, it's amazing to be here, guys. I'm here to shoot another video, and we are going to learn about several tribes in Kenya and how we call them in Kikuyu. So tuned in and let's get started. The first type we get to know is Kikuyu. How do we call Kikuyu tribe in Kikuyu? It's called Gekuyu. Gekuyu is simply Kikuyu tribe in Kikuyu. Now the next tribe we get to learn is Luo. How do we call Luo tribe in Kikuyu? Jaruo or Kejaruo. Kejaruo or Jaruo. That's how we call Luo tribe in Kikuyu. The next tribe is Kamba. How do we call Kamba tribe in Kikuyu? Gay Kaba. That's how we call Kamba tribe in Kikuyu. Gay Kaba. That's Kamba. The other tribe we get to know is Masai. How do we call Masai tribe in Kikuyu? It's simply called Kemadai. Kemadai or Okafi, or you can simply call Okafi. Now the other tribe we get to know is Meru. How do we call Meru tribe in Kikuyu? It's called Kemeru. It's just called Kemeru. The other tribe we get to know is Kalenjin. How do we call Kalenjin tribe in Kikuyu? It's called the Kalejini. The Kalejini. That's how we call Kalenjin tribe in Kikuyu. Now, give me 1 second. Some people are just passing by. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, let's continue because I think they are not even passing by. They decided to get themselves comfortable in that place. So we have looked at several tribes in Kikuyu, how we called them. The other tribe that I have for you guys is Kalenjin. How do we call Kalenjin tribe in Kikuyu? Ge Kalejini. Ge Karejini. That's how we call Kalenjin tribe in Kikuyu. Now we have more other tribes like those tribes from coast of Kenya. We have tribes like Swahili. Okay, they are not really Swahili tribes, but I can put them um, in a general term, and we just call them Dweri. Dweri or Gay Dweri. This is simply how we call them in Kikuyu. Of course, we have several tribes in the coast of Kenya like Mijikenda, like Giriama, and many other things. The other tribe that we have very common in Kenya, and even among my fellow subscribers and very loyal subscribers in this channel are people I think from Somali, or people that are not Kenyan nationalities but people from Somali origin. How do we call those people in Kikuyu? Okay, or most of them, these are people who live mostly in the region of Isli in Nairobi. How do we call the Somali people in Kikuyu? They are simply called Shumari. Shumari. Shumari is okay, not okay. They are those people. Shumari are the Somali people, and the language they speak, of course, is Somalian, or I don't know the specific language. So, in this case, I will just teach you how we call these people instead of teaching you how we call their language in Kikuyu. They are called Shumari. If you hear anyone speaking about Shumari, just know they are speaking about Somalian people. ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to end this video right here, and thank you so much for watching me. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any comments or any suggestions, please don't forget to drop them down there. Goodbye and see you next time.